What's good? It's Creative Kera here, back with another video. So guys, my intro for this video got deleted. A lot of footage for this video got deleted, so I worked with what I had. But this is a room makeover from my full house renovation. This is one of the bedrooms in that house. So thank you guys for watching this. I'm working on a bedroom makeover in another home, so that next video will be more in depth. It'll show you more behind the design, shopping, and all that good stuff. So sorry about the short video for a whole room makeover, but I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's get into it. Y'all, do you see the progress in this bedroom? The walls are officially white. There's another coat that needs to be done. The blinds need to be put up. This accent wall right here needs to be painted. But guys, we are making some real progress here. This is the door for the bathroom. Ooh, let me give you a little sneaky peeky. Here is the bathroom. Oh, look at my sneakers. They fly, huh? They fly. All right, sorry. But anywho, this is the bathroom mirror. It's about to be so popping. So y'all are on this journey with me for the first time, and it just feels good to really call myself a true interior decorator. So see you guys soon. Oh, we're placing this light too. We're changing that, so see you soon. Going to the bedroom. Still gotta finish the accent wall paint, but it looks really good at this point. Loving it. This door, I don't know what they got going on with this. Some more stuff in here. So guys, it's coming along fantabulously. So now I started the process of taking down the current light fixture. It's pretty easy. You just have to take down the fixture itself, unscrew it, and then you'll see me taking like the boob part off. And then I'm just going to go ahead and replace it. I'm going to fast forward through this because I'm pretty sure you guys are not interested in seeing me replace a light. So yeah. Really quick, guys, do not be like me. Safety first. I thought the light was off because the light fixture in this room, the off was on and the on was off. So I thought the electricity was off. It definitely wasn't. It's super dangerous to be connecting wires when the electricity is on. So quick tip, don't be like me and do that, because you can see once I go ahead and put the bulb in, it's already on. So I quickly undid it and turned the light switch off. And let there be light. Just like that, the light fixture is installed, guys. Here is a progress shot, guys. So far I've gotten the lighting up. I got the bed here. They just delivered it with the sideboard. And now I'm working on the shelf for the bedroom. Still gotta do some stuff with this door. Still gotta hang some blinds on either wall, but it's starting to look really, really good. Sometimes things don't go according to plan, and as you can see, those shelves was crooked as hell. And voila.
Oh, hell no!
A shelf is born. You gotta roll back. That's good. Got my helper here, my second in charge, fixing up these final steps on this bed, and it looks gorgeous. And those are the two accent pillows. Then we gotta play with that a little bit, but we plays with the pillow arrangement.